My name is Carly Sodix, and I'll be talking about the usability of both Photoshop and GIMP. Photoshop and GIMP are both photo editing software. Photoshop is the expensive version, where GIMP is a free version. Photoshop is expensive, which deters many users from it. But is that the only thing keeping people away from it? My first issue I noticed when I popped open Photoshop was the interface was complex. There are many different places to look, and it can be overwhelming to the user at first. Whereas GIMP is a blank screen, pretty much. The problem I had with GIMP is that the toolbox doesn't instantly come up. So for a beginner user, you don't know where to go. So I believe the Photoshop complexity of its interface is actually helpful to users because tools are combined based on tasks, so it's easier to access them. One of my favorite features of Photoshop is its adjustment layers. It allows you to select a section of the image, let's say the boy here, create a mask, and then you can alter its colors, its lighting, its contrast, its layers, its filters, without ruining the border. Whereas GIMP did not allow you to do this. Photoshop also gives you, if you hover over it, it gives you a video of what the tool does, as well as the name of the tool and a brief description of what it is, so you know exactly what tool is going to be doing what. This one makes freehand selections, so that tells you that you can select an image without shapes. And I believe these are what makes Photoshop easier for users to use than GIMP does, because GIMP, you kind of just get thrown to the wolves here. The taskbars, the descriptions, and this little video here is why I think Photoshop helps users use it, so it's a lot more user-friendly. GIMP, during my evaluation, was good for basic edits, like adding text and filters, but got confusing for more complex editing, like layers. And so I think Photoshop is easier for you to use if you're wanting to do any sort of photo editing. I hope this helps you decide what editing software is easier for you when you begin your next editing project. Have a nice day.